The human body was designed to heal itself when it is properly nourished. Disease does not come from nowhere. It comes from imbalance, acidity, and unnatural foods. Nature has already provided what the body needs. When you return to natural, mineral-rich foods, the body remembers how to restore itself.
What if I told you the secret to destroying your aching joints and getting your energy back wasn't in some expensive pharmacy, but was hiding in your kitchen right now? For literally millions of people over 50, life is the same frustrating loop. You wake up and bam, your knees are stiff or your back is killing you. By 2 in the afternoon, your energy is completely gone. You go to your doctor, who is a smart, caring person, and they listen to you. And the solution? It almost always comes from a prescription pad. You get a pill for your joint pain, you get another for your blood pressure, and you get one more to handle your blood sugar. Next thing you know, you're eating a handful of pills for breakfast, and it feels like you're playing a game of medical whack-a-mole. You knock down one symptom and another pops right up. But are you fixing the machine or just smacking the moles? So what is this legendary powerhouse? It's a clove, the dried flower bud of a tree. That's it. With its insane smell, the clove has been a titan of traditional medicine for millennia. From India to China, they used it to crush toothaches, fix digestion, and destroy infections long before we had modern drugs. The secret compound that gives cloves their superpowers is called eugenol. Think of eugenol as the clove's secret weapon. It's a crazy powerful antioxidant and a natural anti-inflammatory. Chronic inflammation is like a slow-burning fire inside your body that is the secret enemy behind almost every age-related problem, like arthritis and heart disease. Now, to look at cloves from a completely different angle, let's look at Dr. Sebi. I have to say this right now, Dr. Sebi was not a medical doctor, and the entire medical community says his ideas are 100% pseudoscience. We're just looking at his beliefs. This is not medical fact. His entire philosophy was built on one idea. Disease is caused by an acidic body that is clogged with mucus. He believed the modern diet makes our bodies acidic, which leads to a massive overproduction of mucus. To him, this acidic mucus was like sludge building up in your body's plumbing system, clogging everything and causing every disease imaginable. Okay, let's smash together ancient wisdom and modern science for a second. So science doesn't really talk about acidic mucus, but honestly, it is proving some of the biggest benefits of cloves. Joint pain and arthritis relief. This is a huge one, folks. Inflammation sends pain signals through your body, kind of like messages traveling on a telephone wire. The anti-inflammatory power of eugenol acts like a signal jammer, basically blocking those pain messages before they ever reach your brain. Lab studies have shown that eugenol can block these pathways, almost just like some real drugs do. We still need more big human trials, but honestly, this suggests that adding cloves to your diet could help you dominate arthritis symptoms. Digestive health and gut detox. So, for centuries, people have used cloves to fix their stomach. If you think of your gut as a garden, cloves can help wipe out the bad bacteria and fungi, sort of like a selective weeder that removes the pests without harming the good plants. This actually helps fire up your digestive enzymes, which reduces gas and bloating. It's exactly like a cleanse for better health, you know? Blood sugar regulation. This is honestly a game changer for so many seniors. Think of insulin as the key that unlocks your cells to let sugar in for energy. Now, new research shows that compounds in cloves might actually help that key work better in the lock. A 2019 study on people found that taking a clove extract every day for 30 days led to way lower blood sugar levels after they ate. If you're on diabetes meds, you have to be super careful because this could make your sugar go too low. Always ask your doctor. Enhanced circulation and heart health. Imagine your bloodstream is a busy highway. Platelets are like emergency road crews that rush to fix any damage. Some lab studies suggest eugenol might make these crews less likely to clump together and cause a traffic jam, which could improve blood flow. But, this is not proven in humans, and it's definitely not strong enough to replace medical treatment. If you are on blood-thinning medication, taking a ton of cloves could actually increase your risk of bleeding. Liver support. Your liver is your body's oil filter, constantly cleaning your blood. The antioxidants in cloves, especially eugenol, might help protect that filter and keep it clean. But here's the crazy twist. It's all about the dose. A small amount helps the filter, but high doses, like from concentrated clove oil, can be toxic and actually break the filter. It's the perfect example of why moderation is, honestly, the ultimate challenge. So, how can you actually use this spice without going overboard? It's not about eating a handful of dry cloves. Here are 3 simple, safe methods. Method 1 is clove water, which is a cold infusion. This is literally one of the safest and easiest methods. The cold water gently pulls out the good stuff. Here's how to prepare it. Get a glass jar, add 1 tablespoon of whole cloves to a liter of water, seal it and put it in the fridge for at least 3 days. 3 days. When it's ready, just strain the cloves out. Drink a small glass of this clove water every morning before you eat for a simple daily detox. Method 2 is clove tea made with a gentle simmer. A warm clove tea is amazing, especially for your circulation and joints. To prepare it, lightly crush 2 to 3 whole cloves, add them to a cup of water in a pan, bring it to a simmer and let it steep on low for 5 to 10 minutes. When it's done, strain it into a mug. You can add a little lime or a natural sweetener if you want. Method 3. The modified chew. Chewing raw cloves is, honestly, way too intense for most people. This is a much better way. So, how do you prepare it? You can use a clove that's already been softened from making clove water, or, you can let a few cloves sit in just a tiny bit of honey for a few days. Now, how do you use it? Chew just 1 or 2 of these soft cloves after a meal. This is an amazing and fast way to help your digestion. No matter which method you try, and I really mean this, start slow. Begin with only 1 or 2 cloves a day and pay close attention to how your body feels. Section 6. Critical cautions and responsible use. This video just wouldn't be complete if we didn't have a serious talk about safety. So please, pay attention. Cloves are natural, but they are honestly very powerful. First, blood-thinning interaction. This is, hands down, the most important warning of the entire video. Eugenol can slow blood clotting. If you're taking blood thinners like warfarin, adding cloves could be like telling them all to go home. This dramatically increases your risk of bleeding. You must, absolutely must, talk to your doctor. Second, blood sugar interaction. As I mentioned earlier, cloves might lower your blood sugar. If you have diabetes, you really need to work with your doctor and check your levels constantly to make sure you don't crash. Third, liver toxicity. In small amounts, cloves are just fine, but huge doses of eugenol, especially from concentrated clove oil, have been linked to actual liver damage. Never, ever drink clove essential oil. Fourth, pregnancy and children. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, avoid taking cloves in big amounts. Clove oil should never be given to children. It can be incredibly toxic to them. And finally, listen to your body. Healing isn't a race. Start with a tiny dose. If your stomach gets upset or you feel any irritation, take less or just stop. So, in conclusion, we started with a simple spice that, honestly, doctors were secretly impressed by. We went through the frustrations of the medical system, we uncovered the history of the clove, and we explored its insane power through both science and some pretty wild theories. Modern research is finally proving what ancient healers knew for thousands of years. The eugenol in cloves has incredible anti-inflammatory and antioxidant abilities. From crushing joint pain to fixing your digestion, the humble clove gives you a world of natural support. The goal here isn't for you to fire your doctor or throw out your medicine. It's about taking back control and getting in the driver's seat of your own health. It's about knowing that you can be an active player in your own health game by adding simple, proven remedies like cloves, safely and smartly. You are adding another amazing tool to your wellness toolbox. The journey to feeling incredible in your senior years doesn't have to be an endless cycle of pills. It can be a return to nature's wisdom, a rediscovery of the power that was hiding in your kitchen all along. The journey starts today, not with some crazy big step, but with one single tiny clove.